Hey guys, I'm Brufio. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a cool transition from like the verse or the pre-chorus into the chorus, because sometimes there is just something missing, and typically as a producer you want to add some spice and some interest to make the listener feel, okay, there is now coming something big. Okay, you can see here one of my new songs, The Friends We Have Lost. I will just play you now, without my added piano, the verse into the hook.
We had some fights, but never fear. We were best friends, but now we have lost.
Okay, so boring. So first thing we are going to do is add like a swoosh. You know, a swoosh is this cool thing here. And you see that I extended it. Maybe I have to do a crossfade. Now let's listen to it again. Okay, so this will add a lot of cool things to it.
But never fear. We were best friends.
And on the one you have the cymbal swell, so it sounds really cool. What I added now is another piano, this one here, to the already existing piano. Very atmospheric. And I delayed it. So listen to the delay. With automation. So we get this a little bit crazy of a build-up with the swoosh that we had, the razor. Before we continue the video, I just wanted to let you know that I made some amazing free gifts for you. Just go to brufiomusic.com/gift and get exclusive drum samples, cubase mix templates, guitar presets, home recording guides and more. As I said, it's absolutely free. You can also then join the Brufio Music community, where like-minded people like you and I just connect with each other, share our latest productions and songs and get valuable feedback. It's really cool, and I'm very proud of the community. Once you've experienced the freebies and the community, take your skills to the next level with my complete music production blueprint. This is my flagship course with over 80 videos made to transform you from a beginner or advanced bedroom producer or musician to a professional sounding artist, covering the basics but also going in all the details of production, mixing, mastering, releasing, and also topics like AI and everything in between, really. So go to brufiomusic.com/gift and enjoy all the freebies that I made with over 15 years of experience dedicated to you. And now I add the other piano here, and we add the swoosh. So now we have like this broken real piano, the clarity piano, the hi-fi, and now I also add on my vocal something cool.
We had some fights, but never fear.
Okay, so delay with distortion, my many American delay, it's this crazy delay here. These are the settings. It's a stereo delay, quarter and a quarter dotted, and it has some distortion, reverb, doubler and phaser completely maxed out. Alright, so this is what that transition sounds like now.
We had some fights, but never fear. We were best friends, but now we have lost. With no clear real ending, it just faded out.
That's just something, a production tip that I'm always doing in some kind of way. This is a more subtle song, so more ballady, but if you have also dance songs and stuff like that, you always want to build it up, also with maybe a reversed vocal swell, and then go in on the one with a crash on the drums, stuff like that, and then it's really, really fat. Let me know in the comments if that helped you, if you will use it, what's your tricks, and thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel. We see us in the next one. Peace out.